Most people believe that if they work harder, earn more, and get promoted, they'll eventually become wealthy. But the uncomfortable truth is this: salaries were never designed to make people wealthy. And once you understand why, you'll see the system very differently. From a young age, we're taught a simple formula: go to school, get good grades, find a job, earn a salary, and everything will work out. For survival, salaries work. But for wealth, they almost never do. This isn't about intelligence or effort. It's about how the system itself is structured. Most people think this way. Work hard, move up, get promoted, earn more. Soon you will be rich. This idea is everywhere. Schools teach it, parents teach it, many leaders teach it. It sounds safe. It sounds right. It's the story we are told from our first day of school until the day we land our first real job. This narrative is comforting because it provides a clear, linear path to success. It suggests that if you just follow the rules and put in the hours, financial security and eventually wealth will be your guaranteed reward. It's a powerful and persuasive story that shapes our entire professional lives. But it is not the full story. In fact, for the vast majority of people, it's a dangerous illusion. Salaries can pay your bills. Salaries can give you comfort. A bigger paycheck can certainly afford you a nicer car, a more spacious apartment. But salaries were not designed to build lasting generational wealth. We learn a script when we are young. Go to school, get good grades, find a good stable job, earn a salary, buy a house with a white picket fence, save some money in a 401k, retire one day, hopefully around age 65. This path is presented as the responsible, correct way to live. It is a deeply ingrained cultural narrative, reinforced by our educational system, our parents, and the media we watch. This script is powerful because it offers a sense of security and predictability in a world that can feel chaotic and uncertain. It provides a clear blueprint for what a successful life is supposed to look like. This path is useful, to a point. It absolutely helps people survive. It will likely keep you out of poverty and allow you to meet your basic needs. It reduces financial risk by providing a steady, predictable stream of income. It makes life feel steady and manageable. For millions, this script is the foundation upon which they build their lives and contribute to their communities. There is nothing inherently wrong with this path. However, this path has significant limits. It keeps many people trapped in a cycle of earning and spending, often referred to as the rat race. The problem is not with the individual's effort, but with the structure of the system itself. Salaries are only one kind of income, and they are the least efficient type when it comes to building wealth. They are an active form of income, meaning you must trade your direct time and effort for money. This creates a hard ceiling on your earning potential. The script we learn focuses almost exclusively on this one type of income, ignoring the others that are essential for true financial growth. They follow the script perfectly, yet find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, stressed about unexpected bills, and feeling no closer to real financial freedom. The script they were given was missing the most important chapters: ownership, assets, and systems. It's time to look beyond the basic script and understand its fundamental flaws. Here is the first major reason a salary fails to build wealth. Salaries are fixed, but costs are not. You negotiate your salary once. Maybe you get a small raise of 3 to 5% each year if you're lucky. This income is predictable, arriving once or twice a month like clockwork. However, the world of expenses operates on a completely different timeline. The price of everything around you is in constant motion. The cost of food can go up from one week to the next. Your rent or mortgage can increase annually. The price of gasoline, electricity, healthcare seems to relentlessly climb upward. This creates a slow, invisible drain on your financial power. The phenomenon is called inflation. Even if you get 3% but costs rise 5%, you have effectively taken a 2% pay cut. Over a decade, the gap grows wider. You need to earn significantly more just to maintain the same standard of living. You are playing a defensive game. Wealth isn't built by playing defense. It is built by playing offense. It is built by owning things whose value and income can grow faster than inflation. The second reason salaries are an inefficient vehicle for wealth creation is taxes. When you earn a salary as an employee, you are the first one to pay. The tax system takes its share before you even see your money. Income tax, Social Security, Medicare contributions, deducted directly. The number that lands in your bank account is your net pay, significantly smaller than your gross pay. Business income and investment income are taxed very differently. A business owner earns, spends on legitimate expenses, then pays tax on profit. This allows reinvestment and lowers taxable income. Owners and investors can use deductions, credits, depreciation, and even control when they realize income. A salaried employee doesn't have this luxury. Their income is realized and taxed every single payday, without fail. This isn't about evading taxes, it's about understanding how the system is designed. By operating as a salaried employee, you have the least leverage and the highest tax burden relative to your gross earnings. A third fundamental limitation of a salary is that it pays you for your time. You are in a direct trade, 1 hour of your life in exchange for a certain amount of money. There are only 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week. You need time to sleep, eat, commute, and, spend time with your family. Your capacity to earn is physically capped. Even with promotions or bonuses, you are still tethered to the clock. If you get sick, take a vacation, or simply don't want to work one day, your ability to generate income from that job stops. You are the engine. This is in stark contrast to how wealth truly grows. Wealth is built on systems that earn money for you even when you are not actively working. This is the concept of decoupling your time from your income. An owner builds a system of people and processes that can create and sell without constant hands-on involvement. A real estate investor earns rent, whether they are on-site or on a beach halfway across the world. Owning assets and systems allows you to achieve scale. This is the critical difference between linear income, trading time for money, and scalable income, building systems that generate money. A salary can make you comfortable, but it can almost never make you free because it will always demand your most finite resource, your time. The fourth and perhaps most critical reason salaries fail to build wealth is that they do not scale. If you stop working, the salary stops. Your income, and therefore your entire lifestyle, is dependent on you showing up. An illness, a layoff, a family emergency, or simply burnout can cause your income to drop to zero almost overnight. Wealth, by contrast, is like planting your own orchard, small at first, then producing fruit every year, whether you are there to pick it or not. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket. This is why many high-income earners still live paycheck to paycheck. Doctors, engineers, executives. High income doesn't equal wealth, ownership does. A high income often leads to a high-cost lifestyle. Massive student loans, expensive houses, luxury cars, private schools. Their expenses rise to meet, and often exceed, their impressive income. A marketing manager gets a big promotion to $150,000. She buys a larger home, adds $2,000 to her mortgage, leases a luxury SUV for $800, upgrades her lifestyle. At month's end, little is left to save or invest. The raise made life look more successful, not more wealthy. Contrast a plumber who pays himself $70,000, earns $100,000 in profit, buys a duplex that adds $1,500 a month, focusing on ownership and systems. To move forward, we must be absolutely clear on the difference between income and wealth. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but they represent fundamentally different concepts. Income is the money you receive on a regular basis. It is a flow. A salary is income. A bonus is income. Side hustle money is income. Income is what you use to pay your bills, buy groceries, and fund your current lifestyle. You need income to live. Wealth is different. Wealth is not a flow. It is a stock. The value of the assets you own minus the liabilities you owe. Wealth is what you have left after you stop working. Wealth is the orchard, not the fruit. It is the power to do what you want with your time. Wealth buys freedom. It provides choices. You build wealth primarily through one activity: ownership. Use a portion of your income to buy or create assets that grow or produce income. Real estate that generates rent. Stocks that pay dividends and appreciate. Businesses that produce profits. These assets can grow exponentially through compounding and leverage. Leverage is the strategic use of other people's money, other people's time, or systems to multiply your efforts. A salary offers zero leverage. It is a one-to-one exchange of your effort for money. To build wealth, move beyond the one-to-one exchange and embrace ownership and leverage. So, what can a person with a salary do today? This isn't about quitting your job tomorrow, it's about changing your strategy. Your salary is a powerful tool, but only if you use it correctly. First, spend less than you earn. This is the non-negotiable starting point. No gap, no capital to invest. Track spending mercilessly. Create a conscious plan. Make saving and investing automatic, monthly. This gap is the seed of your wealth. Second, start learning about and acquiring assets. Start small. Open a low-cost brokerage. Contribute automatically to a broad index fund, like the S&P 500. Max out tax-advantaged accounts, 401k, and Roth IRA. Third, build skills that create value beyond your time. Start a small side project, build a website, offer consulting, create a digital product, learn marketing, learn sales, learn creating systems. That project could become a real business, an asset. Fourth, avoid lifestyle inflation relentlessly. When income rises, pre-commit to investing most of it. Keep your core lifestyle stable. This is not to say that salaries are bad. Let me be clear, salaries are good. A steady paycheck provides security. It allows you to pay rent, put food on the table, and plan for the immediate future. Your job is where you learn valuable skills, build a professional network, and gain experience. The mistake is believing the salary is the end goal. Do not hate your salary. Use it. Use your salary smartly. Treat it as the starting fuel for a much more powerful wealth-building engine. Every paycheck is an opportunity, a bundle of capital you can deploy on consumption or on ownership that can pay you back for years. Here is the big idea, the one thing you must remember. A salary buys your life today. Assets buy your freedom tomorrow. The comfortable focus on increasing their salary. The wealthy focus on increasing their ownership of assets. Use the former to achieve the latter. This requires a long-term perspective and a shift from thinking like an employee to thinking like an investor. Start with one small, concrete action today. Automate 5% more of your paycheck into investments. Open a Roth IRA. Read one chapter of a simple investing book. Take a builder out for coffee and listen. The journey to wealth is a marathon of small, consistent, correct decisions. Salaries are not the enemy, but relying on them alone is the trap. The goal isn't to quit working. The goal is to stop depending solely on selling time. Use your salary to build other engines that can run on their own. If this idea helped you see money in a new way, your work has just begun. If this helped you understand money differently, subscribe. Every video here breaks down money and business the way schools never do. We break down complex financial topics into plain words and provide clear, actionable steps. We tell you the truths that schools and society often leave out, so you can start building your rich life today. Most people don't realize how powerful ownership is. Now you do. See you in the next lesson.